Thank you for using Feature-tec first generation Dolintestor Integrity Tester. The instruction video provides guidance on the following. Dolintestor Integrity Tester Assembly. Verify instrument appearance. Inspect the instrument to ensure its appearance is intact. Electrical connections. Remove the rear cover and crimp plate. Connect the power outlet, Ethernet port, device reader, and printer using the provided cables. Secure them tightly with the clamp stand. Reattach the rear cover and plug in the socket. Pneumatic interface connection. Connect the air source duct to the quick connector and attach it to the instruments and port. Place the fully wetted filter membrane in the stainless steel housing. Connect the pipelines to the top flange and attach them to the out port. If needed, use vent to the venting unit on site. Choose a tank when the housing volume exceeds 10 liters during the test. Allow at least 30 minutes for warm-up before generating the accurate test data. Dolintestor Integrity Test Procedure. Membrane wetting. This 10-inch sterilizing grade capsule filter demonstrates the dynamic wetting method. Step 1. Install the filter and connect the pipelines. Step 2. Vent them by opening the valve, closing the downstream part, and slowly opening the upstream one. Close the venting valve when water flows out continuously. The gas is completely discharged. Step 3. Maintain a pressure of 2.8 bar for 1 minute. Don't exceed the maximum pressure. Step 4. Adjust the upstream and downstream valves to achieve the recommended minimum flow rate. Step 5. Close the inlet valve, remove the wetting device, drain the water from the capsule filter and start test with Feature-tec first generation Dolintestor Integrity Tester. Hydrophilic filter membrane integrity testing. Step 1. Assembly. Attach the capsule filter to the stand and place a beaker under the filter outlet to collect residual water. Connect the filter upstream to the out port. After logging in first generation Dolintestor Integrity Tester, click Setup or Run New Test to create a new test or select a test item from the program. Step 2. Create a new program and set the parameters. Click plus and enter a name in the program name. Select Enhanced Bubble Point and key in all necessary parameters. Refer to the quality certificate for the integrity test values. Step 3. Test and data storage. After setting up, click Save. Select Low Pack 10 and Enhanced Bubble Point Test, click Run. Input the product information, batch number, serial number, product name, filter material type, pore size, wetting media, and test gas. After completing the self-check, drain residual water, volume calculation, pressure keeping, diffusion flow and bubble point tests, the entire Dolintestor integrity test is finished. A report can be printed for record keeping. Hydrophobic filter membrane integrity testing. Testing is performed using a 10-inch air sterilizing grade capsule filter. Step 1. Assembly. Install the filter cartridge and housing on the stand. Seal the water inlet at the bottom of the filter and keep the water outlet open, otherwise the water intrusion test will be failed. Open the air vent valve and fill raw water or injection water. Once the water flows out, stop filling. Close the air vent valve, and start the test. Connect the integrity tester to the upstream port. Step 2. Set parameters. After logging in first generation Dolintestor Integrity Tester, go to Admin menu, Program, Water Intrusion Test, Edit to set the test parameters. Refer to the quality certificate for the listed parameters. Step 3, Test and Data Storage. Once the settings are completed, click Save and Run. Input the product information, batch number, serial number, product name, filter material type, pore size, wetting media, and test gas, then click Run Test. After the program goes through self-check, drain residual water, volume calculation, holding pressure and water intrusion, the whole Dolintestor integrity test is completed. A report can be printed for record keeping.